Hello. Today, I will be walking you through updating referral statuses in CAREAPP. Once you have started making referrals, CAREAPP will track your members and add them to the People I'm Helping database. After a referral has been made, you will need to follow up with the community member and update the status of their referral. To access the list of community members you've assisted, log into your CAREAPP account at hccareapp.org. Then go to the top right of CAREAPP and select People I'm Helping. From this drop-down menu, you will select the People link. This page will display all community members for which you and/or your team have created referrals or otherwise provided assistance. To update a member's referral status, locate the community member you wish to make the update for, and either click on the Summary button next to the member's name. This side menu will open, and from there, you can view or update referral statuses of any existing referrals. Click the drop-down and select the appropriate referral status. All done. Additionally, you can click on the member's name to open their full profile, and updates can be made to the referral from here as well. For more details about definitions of referral statuses and their categories, view the tip sheet by the same name as this video called Updating Referral Statuses. Thank you.